Hello again. It has been felt for some time in Ireland that the country is falling behind Britain when it comes to the dismantling of their national identity and destruction of their culture. If Britain has been able to destroy its history and heritage in just 25 years, what on earth is holding back Ireland from following suit? The latest manifestation of this almost pathological desire to become a global nation, one not bounded by narrow national feelings relating to religion or ethnicity, may be seen in the small village of Dundrum in Tipperary, whose population was, until a couple of years ago, just 165. When the war began in the Ukraine, the government decided to install 60 Ukrainian refugees in a hotel complex on the edge of this village. The people of Dundrum accepted these newcomers, women and children who were genuine refugees. Some found work in the area while their children attended the local schools. Having found that a small village like this would tolerate a group of refugees, the government in Dublin took note and decided that it was time for phase 2. Next month, all the Ukrainian refugees are to be rehoused elsewhere, and the hotel complex will be used for 277 asylum seekers from Africa and Asia, all of them young men. This will mean that the 165 villagers will be greatly outnumbered by young foreigners. There is huge discontent in the village about this, and I give a link in the description to this video to a news item about the situation. If this were an isolated instance, it would be one thing, but it is not. All over Ireland, the same process is being forced upon little communities like this. After another 20 years or so, I would be very surprised if Ireland still exists in its current form. It would have gone the same way as Britain. Indeed, considering the pace of the transformation so far, it will almost certainly be even more multicultural than this country.